Hi everyone. So this week we're going to be discussing um, the advantages and risks of offering jeweling services at a gun shop or a gunsmith's shop. And so I was looking over some videos um, of other people who provide that service. Um, some of the advantages is if you're only the only gunsmith in town that offers that service, uh, you would be having more opportunity to get business. More people would be, uh, a lot of people who would be looking for that service would be coming to you. Some of the disadvantages would be um, starting out, I would not do it till you were really proficient with it. Um, because you don't want to get someone's gun in and just completely destroy their bolt. Um, uh, Take a lot of time to practice and perfect it. Use scrap metal. Um, that would be around the same uh, diameter and length of the bolt that you'll be working on. Um, the setup that I would prefer um, would um, I would start with a drill press. Maybe get a lathe. I already have a drill press, so later on I would need to get a lathe. Um, those can range from um, a few $100 to a good 600, $900. Um, the jigs would be easy to come by because you can build your jigs. You don't have to go and purchase one, but if you wanted to, you could. Um, the other stuff that would be kind of disadvantages would be, or not disadvantages, but cost would be to make sure that you maintain the drill bits that you use. That way, you're if you're working on something and you have a drill bit, you can easily destroy a bolt. Well, not destroy, but it won't look. Um, the quality won't be as great. Um, so those are some of the few things that I would look into if I were to add it to my shop. Um, my operation would be around amongst my other tools. Um, would probably be on my main workbench, or my drill press would be. The jigs would be right next to it. The drill bits would be right next to it. The lathe would most likely be on another table um, near my workbench, because I want to remove as many distance of movement trying to go from one machine to the other. And that's kind of how I would go about it. Um, I believe it would be extremely beneficial to my shop, um, because one, there's probably not going to be a lot of people who would offer that service, and that's just one more tool in my tool belt that I can offer to more people who are looking for that service. You hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope to read your guys' response. Thank you.